Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today we are going to look at count not in Excel. And before we do that, I want to wish all our cherished viewers a happy new year and may 2020 be a success. Shall we move straight onto our lessons for today? So assuming you have a data items like this and you want to count, so the item you select, you don't want it to be part of the ones you count. So assuming you are looking for mango, and you are going to use the formula count ifs. So count ifs, we select our range, not, this is the not less than greater than, so we input that in an inverted comma or an apostrophe. Then we use our percent count not mango. So we are saying I should count, but I shouldn't count mango within that particular range, within this range we are talking about. So quickly we get 8. What it means that it has counted all the items here excluding mango. So when I change it to cake, you'll see that the count will change. Assuming I want to make the heading a little bit dynamic, I input an equal sign, input this in apostrophe. So we say count not a space, we close our apostrophe, and we choose the criteria count not ampersand and cake. So we are saying count not cake. So assuming we choose toffees, so you see that it has count all excluding toffees. So we have 11. We can also use a conditional formatting. We select our range, we go to conditional formatting, we go to more rules, we go to use formula to determine which cells to format. We introduce our formula equal to, or we just select it to come with the formula. We use the F4 to unblock. So we are saying count not, so less than and greater than our criteria. So in a situation where we are saying that it's not equal to our criteria, we should format it and give it a shade of green. And we say okay and okay. Voila, you can see that all the ones which are not toffees are highlighted and the count of it is 11. If we change this to mango, you'll see that all the ones highlighted or named mangoes will not be highlighted, the rest will be highlighted, and the count of it is 8, dynamic. If we select cake, you see, voila, cake is not highlighted and the count of the rest is 10. This is how smart really you can use the count ifs to really set up such a dynamic assignment in what you are doing. We thank you very much for following us and continue to follow us on YouTube Consult. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.